How to create customer special orders in AAAPOS RetailManager. This video tutorial guides you through the process of creating a customer special order in AAAPOS RetailManager. Customer special orders are used when a customer requests a product that is not normally available in your shop, such as a specific size or color that you need to order directly from a supplier. AAAPOS RetailManager handles these orders separately from regular shop orders, making it easier to track and manage them. To create a customer special order, follow these steps. Step 1. Record the customer special order. Open the sales window by pressing F6 or selecting sales from the transaction menu. Enter the staff number in the staff field. Enter the customer number in the customer field. In the code field, enter the product code or search for the item the customer wants. Fill in the description, department, categories, and any other product details, then press F10 to commit the information if the product does not yet exist. The product details will appear in the grid. Enter the estimated sell price and required quantity. Choose the special order payment type in the paying details frame. You may need to scroll through the list. Then, press Enter. Step 2. Record the customer deposit. Go back to the sales window and enter the staff number and customer number again. In the paying details frame, select the customer's method of payment and enter the amount being paid. Then, press Enter. Select Deposit in the paying details frame. The amount will appear as a negative in the paying field. Press Enter again. Step 3. Allocate the special order to a supplier. From the admin menu, select Allocate Customer Special Orders. The Allocation of Customer Special Orders window will appear. Highlight the required special order, then enter the supplier number in the number field. If there is a default supplier, their number will appear automatically. Press Enter. The order will be removed from the unallocated list and placed in the pending orders list. You can view it by selecting the Show All Pending Special Orders option. Step 4. Order the item. Once the special order is allocated to a supplier, you can use the Purchase Orders function to place the order with the supplier. For detailed instructions on how to create a purchase order, go to the Transaction menu and select Purchase Orders in the AAAPOS RetailManager video tutorials for more information. By following these steps, you'll be able to successfully create and manage customer special orders in AAAPOS RetailManager, ensuring smooth and efficient order fulfillment for special customer requests.